Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick review and first impression, not really review so much, but first impressions on the APS Cosmeto Food Activated Organic Spring Water, which is supposed to give you instant glow in 50 seconds with face cleanser and makeup remover. So this is supposed to be a makeup remover. The list of ingredients of this product I'm going to list in the description box below. It's not a toner, it says. It's not a cleansing milk. It's definitely not a face wash. It's activated organic spring water, which is a skincare product that removes makeup and cleanses the skin without the need for rinsing. So something like a micellar water perhaps. So when you apply the product to your skin, the cleansing agents come into contact with oil and dirt on your face, allowing them to be swept away quickly and efficiently. The benefits, it says that it's gentle but effective cleansing. There's no tingling or tightening effect. It's powerful enough to remove makeup, it says, and there is no need for a separate makeup remover. So we're going to test that in this video. How to use? Well, it's very interesting. It says that spray the spring water across your face, paying special attention to the eyes and lips if you're removing makeup. There is no need to rinse afterwards. Just enjoy the clean, fresh sensation and then apply a suitable serum, blah 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 blah. But my question is, I'm just supposed to spray it on my face and leave it? So does that make the makeup evaporate? Now how does that work? So let's just see what it does. I'm going to remove my glasses for the process. I hate when my eyes sting and if I have lenses inside. So since I'm testing this product out for the first time, I'm not sure whether this is going to sting my eyes or not. So just playing it safe, I've taken off my lenses. So I might be squinting a couple of times through this video, so don't judge me for that. Right, so I've removed the plastic cap, and this is a spray bottle. So I'm going to spray some on my face. Well, so far the eyes are not stinging. So what do? I kind of wait for it to evaporate from my face and the makeup goes away. It doesn't really convince me a lot. No, my eyes are stinging a little bit now. So what I'm going to do, it says no rinse. So shall I take a dry cotton pad and then see how the makeup comes off? Okay, yes it is. Got a full face of makeup. Not too much, but it was just an evening out with a couple of friends from the neighborhood and their kids and mine. So if I'm spinning at the camera, don't judge me because I can't see a whole lot. So I haven't yet worked on my eyes and my lips, which I will do now, but I can feel my lips have already gone dry, and I think so are my eyes. Kind of slightly stings, not very much, but a little bit. So I'm going to spray the product again. So this is what's come off. I'm going to try and work and see if some more comes out on a fresh cotton pad. So I'm going to spray some more on my face. So obviously, as we saw, the makeup isn't evaporating, so you've got to wipe it off. So that's a little bit of a thing because they don't say wipe it off with a cotton pad or with a washcloth. They just say no need to rinse. So there's more makeup, and my eyes are really now hurting. So there's more makeup coming off. I'm still not working on my lips and my eyes. I'm going to look at them a little later. My eyes are hurting. And there is a bit of a sting on my skin as well, on my forehead. Not anywhere else, but on my forehead. So I don't know if that is a good thing or a bad thing. It doesn't say. It doesn't, ow, it doesn't warn me. So I think now I need to work on my eyes because it's kind of stinging. My eye makeup, well, I had a tiny bit of eyeshadow, a sparkly one, and I basically had kajal on both my waterlines. My forehead is really stinging. I'm not sure whether I like that bit. So let me look at, okay, I still need, so what I'm going to do is, ow, my eyes, ow, this is not good at all. So I'm going to spray a little bit on the cotton pad to remove from my lips. And I didn't have very dark lipstick, so that's about it. Alright, and now I'll work a little bit more on the eyes, but I'm going to not spray it on my eyes anymore because as you can see this eye is really hurting and I've got to keep it closed. So on the pad, and wow, well it still is coming off, but I wonder will it still come out if I did it with plain water on the other side. Don't be angry with me, I'm kind of making all kinds of faces, but I can't really help it now. Yeah, my eyes are stinging a little less right now. And let's see what that nice my eyeshadow is completely off, and I know the kajal from my top of my eyelids is gone. Yeah, looks fairly clean. Sorry, I'm holding the mirror very close to my face for the simple reason that I'm not wearing my glasses. So if I wear my glasses and then look at my face, much better. But I'm going to put this to a final test. Yeah, so I've got some Bioderma with me. Bioderma we know is a cult product as far as makeup removal goes. So I'm going to test this product against Bioderma. I'm going to take one more cotton pad and now put a little bit of Bioderma. Oh god, I haven't unsealed the bottle. Sorry, I haven't unsealed the bottle. I have now. So I'm going to take a little bit of the product onto my cotton pad. Now give a final wipe and see what's coming out. This is a cult product. Actually, it's quite good. No, I still have some, I don't know whether you can see it on the camera, but I can definitely see a little bit more of product coming off my skin. Yeah, so this is what comes out of my Bioderma pad. So that's a lot more of makeup that has come off. So really I don't think that APS Cosmeto Food really succeeds in the makeup removal department. None of my makeup was waterproof. I don't use waterproof makeup. So I'm not sure I'm going to use this as a makeup remover, but it didn't really leave a very sticky feeling on my face as I was using it. So perhaps when I'm at home, I've been at home all day and in the evening I just want to take off that the sebum that has been produced over the day, or perhaps as a morning cleanser, I perhaps might use it as for that. It came in my June Fab bag, so yeah, I'm not going to throw it away, I'm going to use it, but definitely not as a makeup remover. I still have a whole bunch of brilliant makeup removing products which I have, so those I'm going to keep using, but really as more of a home cleanser, not a bad idea. Yeah, so I hope I was able to do a decent job of the first impressions video. If you liked it, do click on the thumbs up button below, and well then I will see you again on my next video. Till then, bye bye.